ECSN is a trade association that looks at electronic components from cradle to grave to rebirth. And every year in December we produce a forecast of what we think will happen in the UK electronics market over the next 12 months. Our forecast last year was that the market would grow around about 12% because we were seeing very high growth coming out of the back of COVID-19. The demand was very strong and we thought the growth would be around 12%. We were wrong. The outcome is something closer to 18%. That's really being driven by a number of factors, the largest being the fact that manufacturer lead times extended a long way out to 16, 20, 26 weeks for many semiconductor products and some passive components. The lead time for interconnect products and EMEC products was a lot lower, it was a lot more stable, but it's still extended. What we've seen going on in 2022 is a lot more geopolitical volatility. The problems that we've seen in obviously Ukraine with the Russian invasion and the enhancement of sanctions by the US against China has caused a lot of destabilization and making customers feel uneasy. And although lead times for many products have started to normalize now, they're going to normalize at a rate that wasn't what it was pre-COVID in 2019, where most products were available almost ex-stock. I suspect that in most semiconductor products, we'll normalise at a lead time at around 12 to 16 weeks. The same for passive components, and interconnect and EMEC will be at around 6 to 10 weeks. So we're not going to return to the lead times of the past. There is going to be a lead time for components as we move forward. So we're now forecasting what's going to happen in 2023, and in 2023 we still see the same geopolitical problems that are coming, coupled with some significant macroeconomic headwinds caused by high inflation and the measures to reduce that high inflation, which is effectively increasing the cost of borrowing, which is likely to significantly slow economic activity down. However, the backlogs that we're seeing in the electronics industry are so strong, we believe we're going to continue to see reasonably solid growth in the first half of the year, but then a significant decline into the second half of 2023. And we're projecting that for the year as a whole, the growth will be in the region of 0 to 5 or 6%. It's very difficult to call, but we don't think we're going to be seeing the 18-20% growth that we saw in previous years. So that's really what we think is going to happen. We've been very fortunate that everybody in the market has worked well. It's been stressful for everybody, and the good relations between everybody and keeping good faith and trying to work together to fix the problems as they arise has helped us all out. And by continuing collaboration right across the electronic components supply network, we'll actually end up with a result which I think will help all and maintain the competitive position of both us and our competitors. So we look forward to an interesting new year.